severe thunderstorm watch there. There's that box. It goes until 10 p.m. tonight, so that's our threat with that. The Treasure Coast, you're not out of the woods yet. You still have some storms out there, too, and we still have a lot of showers and storms back into the Gulf of Mexico to watch overnight tonight. Steve?
Yeah, if you can stay inside, do so, at least through the mid-evening hours. Weather alert day continues until 10 o'clock tonight. Severe thunderstorm watch until 10 o'clock for an entire area. Severe weather, severe thunderstorms up and down the Treasure Coast and around West Palm, around Juno Beach, and also more working in around the Lake Worth area through the evening. So it is strong, potentially severe thunderstorms through the mid-evening, beginning to taper off after midnight. We will have an update on our weather situation as we get into the weekend, and we'll break in and let you know if any additional warnings are issued as they come available.